Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. Many people are coming back to me and they're saying that, hi Ankush, see, I have 5 years of experience, or I have 10 years of experience with the IT industry, but I see like my package is very, very low compared to the other people, because the other people is having a lot of good package and they are really happy with their package. But when I compare myself, I see my package is really low. So what is the problem? What do you think? What is the problem? See, there are multiple scenarios out there among that. So if you want to increase the package, what you need to do, this is what I'm going to tell you in this lecture. So you need to watch this video till the end. And this is all about the experience that I have observed in the IT industry while working with the multiple companies. Okay. See, there are scenarios when your package is going to be increased. One scenario is every after 1 year, your company will give you a hike. Most of the time, you will see that the companies are giving maybe the hike around 5% to 10%. If you're talking about any multinational company, not more than 10%. I don't think so. Even though if they're giving a 10% hike, that will be for the maximum rating. So you cannot expect that you will get 100% hike or maybe 50% hike. That is not going to be happen with any company unless and until some exceptions are there. Okay, so even let me tell you one honest example. Let's say you have one manager and there are 5 people are working under him. Everyone cannot be good with the manager. He need to shout out someone who will be on the top. Okay, so obviously the person who is putting more efforts, he is working out of office working hours also. There are people, you will find it in the IT industry, there are people, they are 24 across ready to listen what manager is saying. Those kind of people will get the highest rating, maybe 5 out of 5. But at the end, what type of package they will get, what type of the increment they will get at the end of the day, that's matter, right? It will be mostly 10%, not more than that, if you are talking about a multinational company. Okay, so if you ask me like 10% after working 1 year, do you really think that is that a good hike? No. So what my suggestion is for everyone, that whenever possible, try to switch your company and then join another company. That is the next way where you can increase your package. See, if you are staying at the one company for so many years, every year you will get some 10% of hike. And maybe after 3 to 5 years, you will get one promotion where you will get 30% of hike. That is, the usual criteria will happen. But when you are comparing yourself with the other people, those who are continuously switching the company, they are getting more hikes. So when the person who is having 3 years of experience, he is switching the company, most of the time you will find that he is getting 100% hike also, if his technical skill set is really, really good. So when you are switching the company, there are the parameters are important, like what technology you are working. So if you are working with the technology which is really booming in the market, you can expect 200 or 300, or sometime it will go 400% hike also. I have seen the example like this. Depend on your technology and the skill set which you are having, whether you are able to convince. So nowadays I see a lot of people are getting very good package in the big data technology. I see the people are getting 300% also. 200, 100 is completely like a normal nowadays. So this is like the demand that companies are expecting, and they are not getting more developers. So there is always a competition in between the companies because they need big data developer nowadays. So when you want to, so the bottom line that I want to tell you, if you want to increase your package, you should switch the company. See, there are scenarios like why you should not be stay at one company for a longer time. Let me tell you one example. So if you are staying with this one company, first of all, you will not get the release. So you will get end-to-end knowledge about that project, but you don't know what is happening outside that project. So you'll be always blank. So whatever issues are coming in that project, you will definitely resolve that. But if something comes which is out of that project, you don't know, you're blank. So when you want to see the world, the world you can see when you are coming outside your home. So that's the way, you can switch your company. You need to switch your company maybe after some particular duration. I'm not saying that you should switch company every after 6 months or 1 year. That is also not good for your health as well as for your career. So stay at a project, see the things, learn the things, and switch the company, so that you are, you will get a good hike also when you are switching the company, and you will always get to learn something new in the another project. Third thing which I want to tell you here about, the people are mostly, behind the on-site opportunity in IT industry. This is the worst thing which I have ever seen. See, on-site is like, people are thinking that if they're going on-site, and then they will get, they will earn the money in the dollar, a pound. So this is the expectation from most of the industry. If you ask me personally, I never like to go on-site. I got the opportunity, but every time I said no. There is a reason behind that. See, if you're going out to the on-site, I am a typical Indian guy who like to wake up in the morning going for the tea on the tapri. I don't like CCD thing kind of stuff. I don't like that. So every morning when I'm waking up, I used to take my bike. I'm going outside, और 10 रुपए की जो चाय मिलती है ना टपरी के ऊपर की, वो मुझे चाय, वो पीने में मुझे जो सुकून मिलता है ना, वो मुझे दुनिया की कोई भी चाय में नहीं मिलता है. So that's my reality. Even I would like to spend some time with my family. My nowadays like kid is there with me. So this is how I am, and I am a person, who is more socially. I like to spend some time with my friends also. That kind of stuff I will not get it when I'm going to the on-site. Okay, what about the money? I think that we have plenty of time, plenty of other opportunities are there, plenty of other works are there which you can do in India, and you can earn the money. So money always matters, but up behind, there is something, social life is also there, right? So that is really important for me. I don't know about the others, but that's the reality about me. So what my way of doing work is, or what I would suggest everyone to do, like you earn the money with your office, give the time, don't worry, work hard, no problem in that. But side by side, you need to start something new, which will, be the parallel to your income source. Okay. If you are staying at one income source, definitely you will not, do a lot of progress in your, don't totally depend on the company. That's my intention is, do something which you are having a passionate, either it can be teaching, it can be farming, it can be anything, but do something. That's my, the suggestion which I want to tell you after working with this so many years with the IT industry. So this is how, you will find like you are increasing your package, you are becoming financially strong, okay, and you are becoming technically also strong. So this is how, this is my way to stay with the IT industry. Thank you so much, guys. If you think that you agree with me, please like it, please comment it, let me know your feedback also. That is really appreciable all the time. Thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe, and share this channel. We are going to start our RAG database training from this Monday. If you are looking for a demo, you can just connect to my WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe, and share this channel. Again, there are many contents are there which are completely free of cost on my website. Go there, learn the things. And if you are looking for real-time Oracle database interview questions, that is also there on my website. Okay guys, bye bye.